What's going on there, YouTube? So, I had a little issue go on with the car exhaust. So I had a catback system along with my headers, and they were the wrong ones, so I had to send them back, and I was supposed to be getting my new ones arriving today, and they ain't been here yet, or they ain't got here yet. I've been waiting since I got off work and still ain't arrived. So I've been just cleaning, reorganizing, got my desk set up. So I'm pretty much just killing time right now until I get this damn exhaust in. I've called FedEx several times already, and they're like, well, we got until 8 p.m. Why your website say pending status, no delivery date available now, when it said it was supposed to be delivered today earlier? They pulled it down. Man, that ain't cool. I need my parts. I need my parts. It's important. Anyways, might have to pick this back up in the morning when it gets here. I might have to go down there and pick it up. Alright, so after dealing with FedEx, I was finally able to figure out what the hell was going on. It was driving me nuts. But got my package. I didn't have to enjoy what I did, but they claimed that they knocked on my door and switched that I wasn't available. Like, my door's right here. I've been sitting right here this whole time, and they said I wasn't available. Like, nah. So they said that they were dropping it back off at the facility that I have until 8 o'clock. At that time, it was like 7:20. I was like, all right, cool. So I shot down there real quick. Boop. Got it. You know what I mean? So why don't we open this thing up, take a look and see what we got. And in case y'all ain't aware, my last ones I had, they didn't send it for the hatchback, even though I ordered it for the hatchback. They sent it for more of like the sedan, so it stuck out like 6 inches too long, just sticking out the rear, so I had to send them back. So hopefully they sent me the right ones this time. Let's open this puppy up. And in case you guys are interested, I mean, it's decent. They sound good. You know what I mean? They're cheap. You get what you get. You know what I mean? But they sound good. You know what I mean? You know, the whole concept of this build is how much power can I get out of it as cheap as possible. And for those that you don't know, this is your first time viewing my channel, Project Flip. It is mainly based off of my 2001 Ford Focus ZX3 hatchback. It is the 2.0 liter ZX, whatever you want to pronounce it, motor, 5-speed. You know, I'm just taking you guys along through my journey of my build, so I do appreciate you guys. You know, my current subscribers, my current followers, I do appreciate you guys. You know, if you do enjoy these videos, you do want to see more of it, you know, definitely support me by subscribing, hitting that like button. It does let me know that you guys are enjoying it, and it helps me create more content. You know, you don't want to follow, that's okay. I'm still going to create more content. That's just what I like to do. So let's go ahead and go back to the main event here. So this does look to be the right size now. Like I said, this is the end piece here. This piece was like sticking out much longer out the rear of my hatch behind the bumper, and I was like, nope. So I had to take it back, send it back. It's a good thing I held on to the boxes. But yeah, alright, got all the pieces, got the hardware here. It's too late for me to install these on, so we're gonna have to catch back up in the morning, y'all. Right, so it is a new day here, and what I'm about to do is I'm about to roll over to my boy's crib. So he hit me up and he said that I can use a garage spot. That way I can go ahead and slap this exhaust in. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to his shop and get this car lifted up, and we'll pick up from there. So I made it over here to my boy's garage shop here. So I'm getting the car ready to be put up on some jacks. You can tell it's definitely a work area. Yeah, buddy. So we're gonna go ahead and get this lifted up. Also too, now that I got my O2 spacer in for the downstream O2, deleted the cat code. I also blew the circuit heater fuse, so I had to change that, deleted that code. Now I'm running a bank to lean code, so the P0171 or something like that. So now I got to track a vacuum leak, so I'm gonna be tracking that as well. I'll keep you guys updated. So we already got the exhaust removed here, and we're starting to put in the new one. I already got my extension pipe here. Let's see if I can rotate the camera. The resonator mounted up. I'm starting to get the rest put in. Oh, I just noticed I gotta pull this piece out. Let's just... Still gotta get that in leak out. It's bright out here today, but I had to cut the exhaust in half. This guy. The guy with no face. Yo, what the hell? We might have to open this up a little bit more. There we go. Alright. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, hold the camera. There we go. Okay. Either way, you get the gist. Let's get back at it. So the exhaust is all put together now. It has been completed and it is the right size. I don't have the silencer in it because who needs that shit? Loud noises. Rah! It's right there on the floor. I don't know if y'all can see it. There it is. But who's ready for the first startup? This is gonna be loud as hell, guys. This is gonna be loud. Guys have it. So we got full exhaust system from the headers back, cat delete. So I'm gonna drive it around, lower the car of course, but I'll rev it up. I'm gonna drive it around see how really obnoxiously loud this thing is. You know, let me rev it up for you guys. We'll see how loud this thing is. Oh. 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 Loud. Very loud. Y'all gonna know I'm coming. Getting off the freeway, boy. Anyways, I'm probably gonna end up throwing on one of them glass packs or something on, replacing my resonator to help kind of muffle it down a little bit more. But that'll be a later on thing. But it's not bad. At idle, it's kind of mellow. Damn, it's loud. But if you're interested, it's not bad.
You know, I'll put a link in the description if you guys haven't checked out the header video with the drive, and you know, because that's not too bad. And then I'll do another update when I go for a drive and everything for you know, the full system, to see how really loud it is. And you know, if you guys want to check them out, I'll put some links in the description if you guys want to check out the headers and the exhaust. And that way, if you guys want to pick them up, you guys know where to go. But thanks again, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate it. To my current subscribers, if you guys are new to this channel, you know, if you guys like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay tuned for more updates for my 2001 Ford Focus ZX3. Until then, peace.